Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 10. Today we are going to cover the arithmetic operators in PHP. Make sure we are working on PHP series, so I consider that you have the basic knowledge of HTML, okay, because we are using the HTML code inside our script. Okay, whenever I say script, that means I'm talking about coding. Okay, so in the last lecture you learned how can you concatenate, or in simple words, how can you merge two values in a single line, or you also learned that how can you add a new value with previous value. But for now we are going to talk about arithmetic operators. So first of all, what are arithmetic operators? So you can see plus, minus, and module, just a second, and now I'm saying divide, okay, and now I'm saying multiplication. So these are the arithmetic operators. You can now I'm saying x plus y. What that mean? That means this is the operator and these are the operands. We are performing the operation on operands. Okay, which operation? This is plus operations. For suppose I am saying that x minus y. Okay, in this case we are using minus, which is the arithmetic operators, same as multiplication. So this star is the multiplications in PHP. So you can, I'm saying I have value first value, and now I'm saying 10. Okay, it's totally dependent upon you. Either you are giving some space or not. Okay, but I am giving some space because it's best practice. I am saying second value. So second value, you can say this is x also, so this is y also. Okay, now I am saying x plus y. Go to your page, refresh the page. Whenever I say page, that means I'm talking about go to your localhost and slash PHP, because I have created the PHP folder inside my htdocs, because I'm using XAMPP. So if you are using WAM, you can create your folder or file inside the www directory. Okay, so you can see we are adding two values like this, but you cannot add these two values. For suppose if you are using single quotations for your integer, now you can add these values. So it's also adding, because we are saying it's a script. That means if you are working on काट देना यार यहाँ से. Okay, now you are using plus operator. You can use also minus operator. First of all, you can see we are saying that please minus 20 from 10. Okay, so you can also multiply these two values. You can see multiply 10 multiplied by 20 equals to 200. Okay, so in this way you can use your arithmetic operators. Why we are going step by step? Because this is basic series and we are teaching you step by step, so you can easily understand the core concepts before starting the PHP 5 or object oriented programming. Make sure we are going to cover each and every section from core PHP, PHP 5 and PHP 7. We are going to cover MySQL database with SQL queries. We are going to perform the CRUD operations using PHP 5. Then we are going to start the Bootstrap, which is the front-end frameworks, and then you will learn the PHP framework, which is the CodeIgniter. And don't worry, we are going to teach you each and everything from scratch using Bootstrap and using CodeIgniter. You can also learn how can you create your projects using Bootstrap and using CodeIgniter. Make sure we are going to perform only the CRUD operations in PHP 5. Okay, so in this way you can use your arithmetic operators. I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to learn our other topics, so you can easily understand the core concepts of PHP. So thank you for watching.